Cool, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out. Look at this. We're getting close. If we get to midnight, I feel like that's whenever we have to do a weird break. So here's 11:34 Eastern Standard Time. We're doing a duel, 2013 Absolute. Yes, here's everybody up in it. Good luck. Thanks for jumping in. Man, it went quick. I think this one took about 40 seconds to sell out. So at 11:30 at night. So we're doing something right here. So if you haven't been in a break here at UltimateBoxBreaks.com, it's like no other website. So make sure to jump in. Here we go. Wait, let's get to how do I get if I get the boxes out? Cool. All right. Dual boxes. It's this stuff, and it is good. I mean, real good. All right. Here it goes. Good luck, guys. Little baby Cutlet. Torrey Smith, 6 out of 99. Then he got for the Steelers. It's going to be Landry Jones auto, 38 out of 99. So going to Pittsburgh. Who's got Pittsburgh? K-Spec? Dude, K, you're out of control, dude. Somebody give me a check. Make sure you guys are still there. I haven't seen anything in the chat for like 5 minutes now. Cool, thanks. There's a Bryce Butler, and can it be the one? Nah. Still nice. That's going to be EJ Manuel, 12 out of 99. I know, everybody is glued to see what's next. Here's Robert Woods. So Bill's got a little push there. Matty G, go and get you. Dude, Modern Family is literally on every single channel every night for like 4 episodes in a row, and I don't even get mad about it. All right, here's Wes Welker, LaShawn McCoy, DeMarco. 46 out of 99. Who's got Dallas? OHM, man. And then you're going to get this little guy. I think this dude's a beast, and that is a nasty hit. Terrence Williams, 18 out of 25. Really, really nice hit. So, and you got a little hugless Martin. I don't even know which boxes we've gone through here. Yeah, dude, that's short. Hey, that's short print. So, OHM, man, there you go, bub. Aaron Rodgers. Ooh, Tavon. Get short with it. 188 out of 199. Another one of these. We've already seen this. We hit 25 out of 25, and then we hit 99 out of 99. Patrick Peterson going to Arizona. And then Larry Fitz back to Arizona. Let me make sure. Nothing in there. Uh-huh. All right. So nice little short print. Here's the next box for you guys. Jeremy Macklin. That'll be 24 out of 25. And then there it is. Short print. Kenny. Ooh. Get real short, though. That's going to New Orleans. Matty G. Kenny Stills, 5 out of 5, brother. Wow. Get real short. Then you got Justin Blackman. Yeah, dude. See? Matty G comes out of the woodworks. He's like, whoa. Hey, if that goes in your PC, Matty, you know what to do. Here's Chris Gibbons, MJD, Zach Desert. That'll be 43,499. Nice little Keenan Allen short print, 80 out of 99. Even these look good. Like I said, even these look good. Jeez. Stephon Taylor. So, Absolute just looks... Dude, I think it looks phenomenal this year. Lattimore, 85 out of 99. Then you got Chris Harper. We're trying to hit all 499 of the Chris Harpers and Aaron Rodgers. So last little mini box. I feel like we're getting close enough to midnight. We might as well do one more. I mean, if we're going to do it, we might as well. Desmond Trufant, 368 out of 499. Joseph Randall. That'll be 7 out of 99. Going to Dallas. Dallas did well. OHM, man. There you go, bub. And Jonathan Franklin. So, some real nice hits. Man, Absolute is just... looks so good. So, let me go ahead and save that.